In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix if there is no or there are no speakers or headphones plugged in on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar. And here we need to type sysdm.cpl. Okay, it's sysdm.cpl, control panel item. Click on that. And here in the System Properties window, we just need to simply click on the Hardware tab. And here we can find the option Device Installation Settings. Click on that. Now, by default, you can go with yes recommended. But if you are on a yes, you just need to simply choose the second option, which is no. Your device not work as expected. But this is what we wanted. So we just need to simply choose the second option, which is no. Okay, then you just need to click on Save Changes. And then click on OK. Then make a right click at the start button, and here you have to select Device Manager. Now here in the Device Manager window, we just need to simply locate the sound, video, and game controllers. So here you need to make sure that there is only one driver under sound, video, and game controllers. Again, you need to make sure that there is only one driver under sound, video, and game controllers. So you just have to delete any other driver or audio driver. Okay, it's audio driver. You just need to make a right click, and then you have to select uninstall device, and then you have to click on the uninstall button. Okay, so once you have uninstalled any other drivers, then you just need to right click on your or update the driver that is remaining on sound, video, and game controllers. So I'm just going to show you the process, but I'm not just going to uninstall these drivers because this is important to me. But in your case, in order to fix the issue, you have to do that. So if there is only one remaining driver under sound, video, and game controllers, then you just need to make a right click on it, select update driver, and then you have to go with browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if there is more than one available driver on your computer, you just need to simply choose one by one, especially the second option. If the first option you're having an error with it, choose the second option. Then you have to click on next. And Windows will successfully update your drivers. Now after that, you need to close all the windows. Then you have to click on the yes button, and this will restart your Windows. So you have to click on yes, and then that's it. You just have to simply check the problem, and this time it will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.